Good morning. Welcome back to my mais or corn, sweet corn eating contest. Or that we're here to promote the new video, watching and promoting the new video of Ma'am Shen, the Close to You Bar from Carpenters. And ito, bago yan. Just 7 minutes ago. Yan. Close to You from Carpenters. Okay. So, na-play ko na yan kanina. I-rewind ko. I will rewind this one to see the full video. Not really the full, that kan lang. Tigi-tigi lang. Okay. So, rewind muna tayo sa video. And then, mag-shout out muna tayo guys. Shout out to Caballero Idem. Yan. For that, we have to acknowledge or shout out tayo sa mga member ko. Number 1 is Ma'am Shen. Yan. Ma'am Shen Music Salon. Yan. Number 1 yan. Then, number 1 the list. Yan. Pink. Next is we have Pink. Pink Lover 96 Lover. Yan. Adopted member. Ma'am Shen is Fatima is my member. Yeah. Okay, shout out to my members. Fatima, Drawn from Life. Yan, adopted member. Pink Lover 96. Honey Pie, adopted member also. My favorite. One of my favorite. And Honey Homes Beauty. And Fish 199, shout out, where are you? We cannot locate Fish 1999. Shout out also to Rabidel CC Vlog, shout out ma'am. Okay, one moment ha. Si Drone, na shout out ko na ba? Si Drone from Life, ito, member ko rin ito. One of my member from Germany. Honey Pie is from Hong Kong. Fatima is from America, United States of America. And then from Ghana, Africa din siya. Yan. America din si Pink Lover. Si Ma'am Shen is from South Korea. Yeah. So, shout out ko na sila lahat. Mga member ko. Ito rin ang number 1 kong YT friend yan, si Caballero Idem. Si Poslando yan, mga yan, mga solid supporters yan. Si Buboy Palad yan. Si Ma'am Pili. Okay. So now we're watching the new video of Ma'am Shen. The title of video is Close to You, Carpenter Sound of Music. Sorry guys, may ubok ko. So that's it. This is the new video of Ma'am Shen. Don't forget to watch. Okay. Mute lang natin yan guys para to prevent copyright. Okay. We'll back later. Mag-play muna tayo ng ibang video. So Drawn from Life, let's play one of video from my member, Drawn from Life from Germany. Yan. Want You yan. Want You by Drawn from Life. Shout out. This is the new video of Ma'am Shen. It's it. Corn. Sweet corn. Yummy. I remember this sarap music, pinawas siya. Bata pa ko, nandiyan yan. No? It's a classic video, movie, or Pili, shout out Ma'am Pili. So now we're playing son of music from Carpenters. Yes, Ma'am Shin. It's playing right now. The most talented pianist in Korea, South Korea. Yan. Shin Piano Salon. DM. Sorry. We have also drawn from life. Our picture is Ma'am Shen. Child picture and drawn from life. Shout out Ma'am Pili. That's what's mentioned. So later we have may shout out tayo mamaya. Shout out tayo mamaya, guys. Okay, shout out tayo. So, Christy Nicola, shout out. Yan, Christy Nicola, si Shiphead, si Borpe Yoga, si Ma'am Susana J, and then from Korean also, from Korea, this one, and Mikot Netizen, Mikot Netizen, at saka si Lumaga Vlog, yan, at sa Strive Academy. Okay, yeah. Let's listen to this. Let's watch Ma'am Shen muna. New video. Sarap yung kuano, guys, oh. Very, very delicious, very sweet. Do it for life. One tune. That's all. Thank you very much, Ma'am Shen. Okay. Tapos na siya. Shout out tayo ito. Angel Heaven. Shout out. Yan. Meron siyang bagong video, ice cream, tinapay. Yan. So, Sana J, Lumaga Vlog, Angel Heaven, Stage Life, shout out, ma'am. Lagyan natin. Yan. Kasi Kim Du Family, USA, Naturescape, Surinate, Ma Place, shout out. Bin and Carla Cebu. Shout out, guys. Maloy Jose Vlog, Remy Martin. Sorry. It's a beverage, Remy Martin. Ma'am Remy TV. Okay. And the rest, Sarasen. Thank you guys for watching.